Do you want to go see?
No? You don't want to see the presents Santa left for you?
Do you want to go see the presents?
Yeah, they just woke up.
Did you have a good night's sleep?
No.
You want to stay in bed for a little bit?
No. No.
Do you want Mama to go? Mama and Daddy to go with you? Let's go tiptoe. Let's go tiptoe. Let's go do it.
Thank you.
Guess what? Santa came last night.
Go look. Go look.
Chainsaw?
Chainsaw. Watch. These are safety glasses.
Whoa!
That's for Lucas. What else?
Vacuum.
A vacuum. Watch out, baby girl.
Awesome.
You want the vacuum to go? Here, let's see. Bring it over here so we can see. What do we do to turn it on, Daddy?
There's a button in the back.
Come here, look.
And on top of the... Maddie, move. Come on, move. Come on, move.
Back up, back up.
Turn the switch on in the back. In the back. There's a switch.
It's on.
No, it's not.
Cut this.
What do you think this to, Lucas?
I can't see this.
What do you think?
Let me see your chainsaw. Whoa.
What are you saying, babes? You want to put your goggles on? So cut wood. You don't want to? Oh my goodness.
Sit, Mommy. You're still sleeping.
I know.
He can't get his hand around the handle.
You will. Hold on. Push that button, babes. Oops. Push. Then you gotta hold this. Oh.
Oh, his hand's on the switch.
There you go. Hold here. Hold it here.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
Turn off.
Turn the top button off. The one that you pushed on. Yeah.
This is Lucas's vacuum.
You can help Mommy now.
Yeah.
You gotta get the instructions and figure out how it stands up, because it's really annoying.
Do you like it? And look, what's this over here? No, what's this?
Maddie. Maddie. Come on.
Choo-choo.
This is
Is that cool?
A bug into the carter tree.
I know. You're gonna cut the tree? That's gonna take a while to get used to. You have to push the top and hold it down.
Oh.
I wonder why they did that. You sure it's not just, maybe you can just switch it on and then you can pull the tree?
Oh.
I don't know. Push the top button, babe.
You gonna saw mommy's chair apart?
I like it. Push the top button, babe. Remember how mommy showed you? Push it that way. There you go. And now hold this. Good job. There you go. Get your hand all the way around. Pull that button off.
Oh.
Well, that's what makes it go. The button right there. That is so cool.
Wow.
This is so cool. Vacuum.
Yeah, in the vacuum.
See your choo-choo? Do you see your choo-choo?
Watch. This makes noise.
Choo-choo.
It does. It goes toot toot. Put it on the floor.
And it smokes too.
Yeah, do you see the smoke? Oh, it backs up. Oh my goodness!
What do you think, bud? Huh?
Wowee, Lucas.
Choo-choo. Over.
It's still going. Uh-oh.
Silly.
Hey, Lucas, should we give Maddie Girl a present? Should we give her a present to open?
Santa left her presents too.
Open it, Maddie Girl. No, she can do it, honey. Here, Lucas. No, give that to Maddie. Give it to Maddie. Here, you open this one.
Whoa.
This one. Open this one. Do you like your elephant? He's so soft.
Go back.
Yeah, what color is he? Blue. Blue. Yeah,
Open it up. Open it up.
Sit down.
Yeah.
Wow. Rip it, rip it. What's in there? What's in there?
Rip it open. There you go. Oh my goodness. What is that?
Fire truck.
A fire truck! Oh my goodness!
Open more. Open.
Here, look. Push the button.
Open.
Cool.
Open.
Okay, we'll open it. We'll open it. And how about this? You want to open up this one? We've got some good presents here for you, Mr. Lucas.
Santa left you some good stuff.
Did Santa bring you everything you wanted? Wasn't there one more thing you wanted? Didn't you want a John Deere? Just watching Maddie go. What did Maddie find?
Toy. It's a toy.
It's a toy. Help Maddie girl get it out of there. Pull off the wrapping paper. It's a toy skunk!
Oh my goodness.
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Somebody has a one-track mind.
Yeah, it does.
Did you want Santa to bring a John Deere tractor?
Mhm.
Oh, man.
Oh man.
I don't see one, do you?
Mhm.
Do you see a John Deere tractor? Oh, man.
Oh,
Do you think he forgot?
that.
Well, I don't know. Why don't you try opening this present? No, Maddie, not you.
Open it up. See what's in
Opening
there.
that present. What is it? A John Deere tractor.
Put your chainsaw down.
Put the chainsaw right here, okay?
It's not going anywhere. Pull the paper off.
Oh my goodness.
Yay! And it's got a
It
wagon?
has a big wagon.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, you have to push it. Yeah, it doesn't have any lights or bells and whistles. Do you like it?
Get out, Mama.
Pull that out. Hey, Daddy.
Hmm?
Maybe you can take pictures now.